Well, hello. I want you to meet the Hayway gang. Oh, two of them just went in the box. I guess they don't want to be... Oh, well, they're coming back out again. Anyway, the Hayway gang. This is the P family. That one there on the right. This little one is a little girl. She's pink. That little boy there, he's Paul. And Peter and Poppy are in the bathtub. There they come. There they come. That one there with the all-white face, that's Peter. And there's Poppy right there. Little girl. And of course, with Peter is a little boy. They're socializing extremely well. So probably, I would say a couple of weeks, these little guys are going to be ready to find their home. They're very active. They're about 9 weeks now. We got them a little bit later than normal. But they definitely all have their own personalities. Play, 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 play. That's what they want to do. Alright. That's Peter. That's Peter. He must have been the firstborn. I believe he is a little bigger than the rest of the kids. Alright. Until later. This little girl here. Poppy. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.